Hello, students. So here is some easy ways that you can get your citizenship pictures that you've taken for your project and download them into your Google Doc. So one of them is to take your phone and go to your pictures. And then there, you probably have like a bazillion pictures like I do. Okay, find your picture and tap on it. When you tap on it, so here's my project, donating clothes to homeless shelters. So I got my picture, and then on the icon where it has like the little box with the arrow, I'm going to click on that. Okay, and then it'll bring me this screen, which gives me lots of different options. I can text it to myself, I can tweet it, I can print it, yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to click the mail. So that where it says mail, I'm going to click on that. Okay, and then it will say new message. Now, your school email only takes things from like inside the school email. So it has to have like jordandistrict.org or whatever after it for your email to receive it. So you want to type in both the to and the from, put your school email address in there. So I'm going to do that right now. Luckily. So in the to and from category, I'm putting both my school email and that. And then usually, and what's a subject to, so I'm going to put citizen photos. Okay, so you want to double check. Okay, have your school email on the to and then the from, and then you can put in your category, and then it should show your picture below. Okay, and then you can hit send. And it doesn't matter what size, whatever size that you want it to be. Okay, so now I can go into my school email and it will show my photo. So now I can go on to Google Docs and I can open up my school email as well, and I can copy that and paste that picture right into my citizenship paper. Another way you can also do this is if you have the Google Photos app, it automatically saves all your photos to your Google Drive. So you can use that as well. You can also, on your photos, when you hit on that little box with an arrow thing, you also can have, when you click on the little arrow thing, you can have lots of other options too. And Google Drive is one of them. So I can just move that little switchy thing. So now that it's switched on, and I can send that to my straight to my Google Drive. So now my Google Drive thing is on there, and it'll give me my options to upload my photo to my Google Drive. And I want to make sure it has my school email and not my personal Gmail account. So really easy ways to download your photos and get them sent to your school drive. Hopefully that helps. Have a great day and good luck with your citizenship project.